Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So right here with me, I have a question that came in 2023, mathematics paper 2 for internal candidates. So we are going to look at a question that is coming from quadratic equations. So the question was solve 3x squared plus 13x minus 7 equal to 0. So the way you can solve this question, we can use different methods. We can use factorization method. We can use completing the square method. We can also use the formula method. And this question carries 3 marks in an exam. So you can't afford to miss, 5 marks. You can't afford to miss the all 5 marks. So we are going to solve this question by using a quadratic formula. So I'm sure by now we know that once we are presented with a quadratic question, it normally gives us two possible values of what? Of x. So first our question is 3x squared plus 13x minus 7 equal to 0. So the formula that we are going to use is x equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is our formula that we are going to use. So in this formula, we need to find the value of a. We also need to find the value of b. We need to find the value of c. So these letters a, b, c are presenting the coefficient of x. Okay. So this right here we have 3x squared. So the coefficient of x squared is a, meaning that here a is presented by coefficient 3. Then for this one, 13x, this is the coefficient of what? A b. So the coefficient of x here is a 13, so b is equal to 13. Then right here, we have a minus 7. So this will be our c. So we have said a is going to be 3, then b is a 13, c is a what? A negative 7, because there is a minus 7. So from here, we just need to substitute in our formula and see what we are going to get. So we write x equal to, so we'll say negative 13 because b is a 13, plus or minus the square root. B it's a 13, so it will be 13 squared minus a 4. So the a I'll put it in bracket, which is a 3. Then the c I also put it in bracket, which is a negative what? 7. Then divided by 2. The value of a is a 3, like this. So after writing like this, you just need now to simplify your work that you have. So write x equal to negative 13 plus or minus the square root of, so 13 squared will give us 169. Then negative times negative, this will give us a positive value. So just now multiply 4 times 3 times 7. This is paper 2, so you can use a calculator. So 4 times 3 times 7, this will give us 84. Then divided by 2 times 3, this will give us a 6. Then from there, let us work out what is inside the square root. So write x equal to negative 13 plus or minus the square root of, so just add 169 plus 84. Okay, this will give us a 253 over a 6. So I hope that you are following. Now from this stage, what are we going to do? Okay, so from this stage now, you can find the square root of 253, or you can separate, it's fine. You can say x equal to negative 13 plus the square root of 253 over a 6. Okay, or x equal to negative 13. Okay, so I hope that you are moving together. Negative 13 minus, so here you had plus or minus, so I've used the plus, so in the second one I'll use the minus, square root of 253 over a 6. So from this stage now, let's just punch on the calculator. You say x equal to, so for the first one you just need to punch negative 13 plus the square root of 253. So negative 13 plus the square root of 253. It will give us the answer, which is 2.90597371. Then divide this answer by a 6, and this will give us a value which is like this, 0.48. Okay, 0.484, like this. Or then for the second one we also do the same. We punch negative 13 minus the square root of 253. The answer is giving us negative 28.905977372. So this answer, you need to divide it by 6, and it will give us a negative 4, to give us negative 4.8175. Now, according to the instructions of the question, the instructions said that we are supposed to leave our answer correct to 2 decimal places. So say x equal to 0.48 or x equal to negative 4.82. Okay, so these were the answers to this question. So make sure that you go through, you punch properly on the calculator, and see if at all we are going to get the same values. So thank you so much everybody for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.